Hey there! Welcome to Native English, the go-to YouTube channel for anyone eager to master speaking English like a native. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, you've landed in the perfect spot. Here at Native English, we do things differently. Our videos are packed with real conversations featuring native speakers. This isn't just about listening, it's about immersing yourself in the language as it's spoken day to day. You'll hear the natural flow, the unique accents, and those little quirks of speech that you can't pick up from a textbook. But we don't stop there. Each video takes a deep dive into the colorful world of English expressions. We'll unpack idioms, decode slang, and demystify phrasal verbs, the stuff that really makes you sound like a native. These are the expressions that give English its character, and you'll learn how to use them naturally and confidently. At the end of each video, we break everything down. We'll explain what each term or phrase means, how you can use it, and in what contexts. It's like having a personal English tutor guiding you through the nuances of real English conversation. And there's more where that came from. Subscribe to Native English, and you'll never miss out on our latest videos. Each one is designed to boost your understanding and confidence in speaking English. So, what are you waiting for? Join our community of enthusiastic learners and start speaking English with the fluency and flair of a native. Remember, fluency is just a click away. Subscribe now and let's get started on this journey together.